Yo my dudes, welcome back to another video. So if you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And then also, if you are new here, what I am going to do today is give you guys an update on what I am calling a before and after build series. So just an explanation as to what that is. Before and after build series is builds that my friends usually own. So what I do is I try to film the car from the beginning, when the car is sometimes a hawk, and then build the car into something that the customer obviously wants, and something is in a better condition. So what I've encountered is in the comment section, someone has mentioned that I jumped from two different cars, but initially when I started the series, I mentioned that there is going to be numerous or a lot of cars on the before and after build series. I'm also going to try to film it where I can, based off my schedule as well as the person that's building the car schedule as well. So yeah guys, the red VTEC, there is updates coming soon for that. It's all based off when Dane is able to obviously work on the car, etc. He did mention that he hasn't did much on the car. The things that he have done on the car is something that I've already shown on the channel, so I didn't really bother with that. I am going to pick up that build when he actually starts spraying the car and there's something more interesting. So yeah, what we are doing today is I am going to give you guys an update on THAARIQ's white 180i. As you guys have seen in the previous videos, the car is in a very bad condition. I've already seen a few pictures of the work done today, and they have already got that far. The rear quarter panel damage is somewhat already fixed. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how far they got with the car and give you guys a little update. So yeah, I just wanted to clear that up with you guys. Bear in mind that the before and after build series will be a lot of different cars, and majority of the cars will obviously not be my car. It will just be the whole reason, like I mentioned before, is for me to basically show you guys a process of a car being in a bad condition, or a car not having mods and adding mods to it. The reason for that is for me to showcase that, as well as for myself to learn, and then obviously show you guys the whole process on that. So yeah, hope you guys do understand that there is going to be a lot of different content on this channel. Like I also mentioned before, this channel is just me being a car enthusiast, showing you guys my life. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get going. Yo guys, I just arrived to TEHAMA Auto Body. As you guys can see, Armin is already busy with the car. He actually managed to remove that whole dent. So what I'm going to do now is maybe just give you guys a full walk around on the car, showing you guys the dents that need to be fixed, and obviously the dents that have already been fixed. So this is the car. As you guys can see, everything is stripped out. I think this is how we went about removing the dent, through this way, just pushing the dent out. And this is the car. You guys will see the Sharpies that are used over here. This is all the dents that still need to be fixed. I think this dent was worse as well. I'm not quite sure if they pulled it out. Okay, the door panel is still on, which means they haven't worked on it yet. So these are all the dents. So I'm just going to move around on the other side and show you guys that massive dent on the other side. I'll try to put a picture up what it looked like before and what it looks like right now. As you guys can see, Armin is very busy here. The dent is completely gone, guys. So he managed to actually fix the dent. Like I mentioned, he pushes the dent out from this side and then adds some body filler just to shape it. As you guys can see, this line is also very straight. So he's doing a very good job. Is there any damage that he did fix on the door here? Armin? Just come through here quickly. So this door is going to be replaced now. That's going to be replaced. So as you guys can see, this is a better look at the damage that was done. As you guys can see, this line over here is going to shape, because on the standard part of the car, you guys can see there's this line over here. So he's just going to basically sculpt it exactly like it should be. Obviously there's some body filler on, and he's going to shape the whole thing. But I must say he did a very good job. If you guys recall, there's a dent across from here, right across through here. And as you guys can see, that dent is now gone. Okay guys, so you will see over here, he just knocked this section with a hammer here. So the reason for him knocking this is because sometimes when they push the panel out, it comes out a little bit too much. So in this case, it's actually better for the panel to be more in than out. So what he did was just knock it a bit further in, and then you can add body filler over here, and then obviously it will, how can I say, the body will then line up together. It will be one level, in other words. Okay guys, so another thing that Abdul just let me know is that they actually cut the panel on the inside over here. Don't know if you guys can see. And then what they do is they use some tool to actually put it in here and press everything out from the inside. And then what they do is basically weld this hole again closed. So that's just something I'll share with you guys as well, as to how they got to this section over here. Like I mentioned, on this side, they come around here and then push it out from this side. And then obviously the section over here gets done from here. Hey guys, so the dude that is going to do the windscreen just came now. So once the windscreen is removed, you can see what rust there is. guys, so the windscreen is up and this is what the rust looks like. As you guys know, these model Hondas, this is a common problem with all of them. What Abdul did mention is that he's going to loosen the dash and just tilt it a little bit back and then weld the section over here. I'm going to try my best to actually film them welding this, but I obviously can't keep them up. So I will find out by them when they are going to weld, and I'll try my best to actually show you guys the whole process on it. But if not, I'll just show you guys when it's all done as well. What he did mention is that the rear, there's no problem in the rear, so there's no repair actually needed in the rear. But as you guys can see in front of here, it's very bad, very similar to the red VTEC as well. But yeah, he mentioned that this is no problem for him, so we'll just see in future how it looks. Okay guys, so this is what this section of the car looks like. It's looking pretty good. Armin did a very good job, I must say. This was done in from this morning up until now. Very good job. What I am going to do right now is I have to link up with a friend of mine, so I'm unfortunately going to have to go right now. But this is what the car is looking like. What Armin mentioned that he will most likely be doing a few dents on the side as well. So if I do come tomorrow or later in the week, a few of the dents will also be already be taken out, and I'll just give you guys an update on that. So yeah, what I am going to do right now is I have to link up with a friend of mine, Saeed. A lot of you guys might know him from the races, etc. He's doing a dyno today, so I might take you guys along with that. The dyno is going to be done at KSD. So yeah, I have to go fetch his bumper because he also wants like a Wong spec bumper type of vibe. So that is what you guys can look forward to in future. So yeah, I'm going to end up the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this section of the video. See you guys next time. Peace. Yo my dudes, so for 2021 I've decided to be a little bit more adventurous. Also, our president has banned all parks and beaches as well as alcohol, so there's not really much to do. That is also due to the rising infections of COVID. So a few friends of mine have decided to go on a little bit of a hike. The hike does consist of a cool waterfall, so I just thought I'd tag you guys along, and this is also what you guys might expect in future. It will be just small segments in the vlog, so I hope you guys do enjoy this. Peace.
Go on.